Hey Mode Queens, it's Monday, which means it's Mode Mondays, where we take one piece from our Mode by Taylor catalog and we show you how to style it three different ways, at least three different ways, because we believe over here at Mode by Taylor in getting your money's worth with your clothing. So on today's Mode Monday, I know my outfit is our Barber cotton trousers, which I've paired with a tank top because it's a very hot day today. So I just went for this easy, simple outfit. But the pieces that we are talking about here is the Mariama skirt, which if you haven't seen it yet, is new on our website and ready to ship. Let's get into three outfits featuring our Mariama skirt. Our first look with the Mariama skirt. Now, before we get into the look, let's just take a minute to talk about the skirt itself. This skirt just screams femininity, right? I mean, the fullness, the combination of colors, the way it snatches in the waist and then flares out. It's such a feminine skirt. And speaking of the flare outs, this skirt has a built-in petticoat and horsehair in the hem. So the fullness, that's going to stay. Right, the petticoat is built into the skirt, so this skirt is going to stay full the whole entire time you have it, for however long you have it. And of course, it has pockets. Do I even have to tell you? But this skirt is such a gorgeously feminine skirt. If you are in your grown woman era, you need the skirt in your wardrobe. And for our first look with it, I just wanted to really lean into the feminine softness of it. I paired it with this top, sleeveless cotton top with a bow. This is a sample, unfortunately, that never made it to the shop, but I love it and I've been wearing it. Sorry, guys. But I just paired it with this simple button-down top that has a bow, a tie neck that I have tied into a bow. Obviously, the microphone is not part of the outfit, so please ignore the microphone. But and I just wanted to just do gold accessories, right? So my gold bag, trusted gold bag, some gold bangles, and a big chunky marble bangle to just offset the softness and the femininity of the rest of the look. Some chunky, boldness on the accessories. Gold earrings to match my gold bangles, and then my trusted olive heels. But black heels would work just as well. To be fair, any kind of pumps that you have would work just as well for this look. It is simple, classy. It kind of has that old Hollywood vibe to it, a little bit old school, but still very modern and very timeless. And that's our first look with the Mariama skirt. So good, right? Our second look with the Mariama skirt, I have paired it with our OB wrap top, which I tied in the back. Our OB wrap top is unfortunately currently out of stock, but we had it in store earlier this summer. The vibe of this look, I was going for a daytime, off duty, maybe just brunch with the girlies kind of vibe, hanging out in the garden, if you're invited to a garden party kind of vibe, right? It's very easy, it's very chill, it's very off duty, especially because I'm wearing flat shoes. But obviously, this look will work just as well with a nice pair of heels if that's your vibe. I love the top. It lends itself very well to a feminine look, right? So despite the fact that this top might come across as a little bit formal with the long sleeves and the cuff and the black edging on it, this the skirt really softens it up really nicely, and the overall look is still very, very feminine, even though it has some masculine elements with the top and also with the loafers. The skirt just screams femininity in a really bold way that it cannot be overshadowed. So if you're a girly girl, then this skirt is absolutely a must-have, because no matter what you style it with, that femininity is still gonna come through really beautifully. I've just gone for a simple box bag to match my black loafers to finish off this look. Our final look with the Mariama skirt. Excuse the fan. It is a very hot summer day when I'm filming this, which means I'm burning up in this outfit. I'm just going to put the fan aside for 1 second. I'm burning up in this outfit, but this is how we are going to be wearing the Mariama when the weather starts to get a little bit more chilly. Don't you just love it? It looks so good, so classy, so chic, paired with the white turtleneck, PS, a black turtleneck, or quite honestly, any long sleeve fitted top would work just as well with this look. The fullness of the skirt comes out even more because the top is so slimmed down and put together. It really exaggerates the fullness of the skirt. You have the pockets to play around with. I paired it with these chunky heels because I wanted like a play on the blues. I'm doing a play on the blues with this outfit, if you see. But obviously, boots are, honestly, if you're wearing this in autumn, winter, boots. Boots. I just don't have a pair of boots to show you today, but boots would be so good with this outfit. Chunky heels work just as well. And then I have my blue bag. And the thing that I really wanted to do, which it is a really hot summer day when I'm filming this, and so I'm just sweating and it's not looking as comfortable as I want it to look, but it's perfect in the winter and the autumn when the weather is a bit chilly. This is how you would want to wear it. I'm going to throw this blazer over my shoulder. And that is the Mariama skirt for colder weather. I love it. I mean, despite the bold colors, the skirt just works in so many different ways and it will work across so many different seasons. It's all about how you style it. Look number 3. I'm just realizing that I have somehow styled the Mariama skirt with only white tops in the entirety of this styling session, which is completely unintentional. When I was picking out the looks, I actually didn't think of that. But of course, it shows it will work with white, it will work with black. And if you're unsure what other colors it will work with, the thing about a skirt like this is it gives you a variety of options to choose from. So some blue would work, some pink would work, some yellow, some green. There's like multiple shades of blue and green going on in the skirt. You can just pick a color from the skirt to match with a top. But that's not what we're here to talk about today. But there you have it, 3 looks with the Mariama skirt, a skirt that is bold, chic, and very versatile. Now tell me, which of the 3 looks are you most likely to wear? Which of the 3 looks are you most excited to wear when you get your Mariama skirt? The skirt is, of course, available on our website, www.modebytaylor.com. I'm so sorry, I have to have the fan. It is a very hot day and I'm wearing a turtleneck. The Mariama look, the Mariama skirt. Which outfit are you most likely to wear first? Because I know you're going to wear all the 3 outfits.